Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to compare a new tool from Narrative AI called AI Data Analyst with ChatGPT's advanced data analysis tool. In this comparison, I'm going to use Google Search Console data. So I'm going to export data into CSV. Of course, you can connect Google Search Console directly to Narrative AI, unlike ChatGPT. But to make the comparison fair, we will just download data, unzip it, and load data back to both tools. So let's start with Narrative BI here. And then I'm going to do the same for ChatGPT. And next, I'm going to start side-by-side comparison with some simple question. Same question, I'll just copy paste it. I'm clicking submit here and submit here. Here we see some pre-processing. By the way, I forgot to show that Narrative already did it, but anyway, right now we're focusing on answers. So let's see what we got here. Both tools answered relatively quickly, and we see that examples actually match. They just represented in a different format, but it looks like data is accurate in this example. So let's try another example. This example, I'll be asking a question about page views. And same question goes to ChatGPT. ChatGPT is still loading, but let's wait for a few more moments. There's some error, looks like. Again, I'm not focusing on data processing in this comparison. I'm just interested in answers. So there is no judgment. We'll just wait. Oh, here you go. So ChatGPT eventually generated some answer. So let's see what we got here. Well, I just looked and I have a huge problem with this answer. If you look closer, you can see that answers don't match. So numbers don't match and actual pages don't match. But let's just verify it with actual data from Google Search Console. So if you look at the top pages, we see the top 3 pages have 282 clicks, second page 89, and third 82. So basically the same numbers we see here, and also the URLs match. So exactly like this. However, if you look closer into what ChatGPT generated, there is a huge issue. So first of all, numbers don't match with actual Google Search Console data. For example, second page only has 82 clicks, while actual data shows that it should be 89. But also, the reason why I say that I have a problem with this answer is because I know that those pages don't exist for a fact. So this is hallucination. If you open this page in your browser, it will just give you an error, 404 error, because this page simply does not exist. So ChatGPT just hallucinated and returned some made-up pages. Like this page does not exist either. This page also does not exist. And this is just an example of ChatGPT hallucinations. And the problem with ChatGPT, and particularly with using ChatGPT for data analysis purposes, is that it hallucinates a lot. And the reason why it hallucinates because it's incentivized to give you an answer, because LLM works in a way that it predicts next token. And the goal of LLM is to give you an answer even if there is no underlying knowledge or underlying data to give you this answer. So in most cases, it will not say you like, I don't know, I don't have this data. It will just try to try to come up with some answer which could be completely misleading, and it's super critical, especially for data analysis purposes, to always verify your answers. So our research shows that ChatGPT can hallucinate in almost every second answer, especially when we talk about complex data sets, large data files, or data with multidimensional structure, data with a lot of different metrics and dimensions. Can you just imagine this? In every second answer, ChatGPT just come up with some nonsense, as we just demonstrated. So be careful and use specialized tools. I hope this video was helpful. If you want to explore AI data analyst or read our paper, we just released a new specialized generative business intelligence model called NBI.ai. So you can just check our website, Narrative BI, or just type NBI.ai in Google and check it out.